Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you will find this page of apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on for stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account, as you see here. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about YouTube, and you can update your app if you will find update in this blue sign here on YouTube. So please don't forget to support us.